Good morning, everybody.
Send it to the. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, Bayan and Varda, can you please turn on your camera?
Where
Zayan,
is
please adjust your
Hatim?
camera.
Hatim,
Rabi,
just
you
tell me a
too.
minute, ma'am.
Where
Okay,
is
okay.
Hatim, ma'am?
Yeah, Hatim and Minha will join soon. Okay, today I want to tell you some important points. So, you have to
Sure.
call your parents, okay, your mom. Your mom also want to be there with you today, okay? Okay.
Why do I?
Okay, so the very first thing that you know, we have project presentation tomorrow and assessment on day after tomorrow. Don't forget that, okay? Please go through your lesson notes very well and learn
This
everything.
Friday
And
we have the exam.
yeah,
Ma'am,
okay, yes.
the exam finishes. What will happen?
Mm. We'll start the new theme. That's it. From the coming week onwards. Okay, Rabbi, adjust your camera and Zayan, you
Vacation.
too. You don't have vacation. You will have weekend. Saturday and Sunday. Give me a minute, okay?
Notifications. Notifications. Notifications.
Okay, so Rabbi, adjust
Sorry,
your
ma'am.
camera, please. Okay, and
I'm sorry.
okay, it's okay, no worries, no problem. And ma'am is going to assign a worksheet also today, and all you have to complete it by today. Okay, some of you are not completed some of the assignments in the math assignment classroom, so
Ma'am,
all you have
ma'am,
to complete it by today and upload it over there in the assignment
ma'am,
classroom. Okay, yes,
ma'am.
Aizin, give me a minute please. Yes, what do you want to say?
I finished the story writing, right?
Story writing in which subject? English? In English? Zayan, no. Zayan, what are you doing?
Uh,
Zayan, sit properly and listen here.
that's English.
Okay, that you can ask to your English ma'am, Anne ma'am. Okay, so everybody please mute your mic. Eyes in you too, please.
In my
Ma'am,
in my body.
what?
That's I think science.
Okay, okay, okay. So yes, listen, then everybody, please listen, parents. That we have. Yes, the this point I'll complete first. Assignments. All you have to upload your assignments by this evening. Okay. Yeah, and then you will get C scores, otherwise, you will not. And also, mage coins. If you are uploading it on the time, you will get mage coins.
At least
Okay?
I need.
No, please mute your mic, everybody. Let me complete. Okay, Rabbi? Yeah. And the other very important thing is the timing. Our class timing is changing from team 10 onwards. Okay. Yeah, that is based on the UAE time. Everybody listen. Based on UAE time, the assembly will start at 7:50. Okay. Will update in the calendar, Google Calendar. All you have to check the Google Calendar. Will update it tomorrow. Okay. So, but ma'am is saying that there are timing changes in our class. Hi, Hatim. Good morning. Class timings. Okay, we'll start the class a little bit earlier. Then we are going now. Okay, that's like assembly will start at 7:50. Ma'am is saying about UAE time. Okay, what were the UAE time 7:50 to 8 your assembly time and the first hour. Okay, F1 hour will be uh, it's from 8 to 8:50. Okay, F1 will be 8 to 8:50. F2 will be 9 to sorry, it is yeah 8:50 then 9:20. 9, 10 to 10 will be the F2 timing. Okay. So it means we'll start the class a little bit earlier from theme 8 onwards. It means coming week. Yes, Varta?
We have robotics.
No, we don't have robotic class today. And also in the coming weeks, and we'll let you know from when we'll start robotics and AI classes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Because yeah.
I don't have Google Calendar.
Wait. Please don't check it now. Okay. I'll update by
Ma'am,
tomorrow.
I
Ma'am,
have
just informing
calendar.
you. Yeah, ma'am is just informing
I
you
have
that.
the calendar. It's
Yeah,
very
wait, Rabi, let me complete first, okay? Rabi, let me complete first. So I didn't updated the Google Calendar, but I'm just informing you that coming theme onwards, we'll start the class. I mean the assembly at 7:50 a.m. A.m. UA time. Okay, please note everybody, all the parents, please note this timing changes. Okay, and about Arent AI, we don't have Arent AI today, and also will inform you when we'll start. Okay, then only you can join. You cannot see Arent AI in the Google Calendar also today because we don't have robotics and AI class for today. Okay, let us know you. And
Ma'am,
yeah,
when we have robotics,
that
in
will let you know. Yeah,
I
that yeah,
suggest
all Wednesdays, all Wednesdays. Yeah,
Wednesday.
all Wednesdays. But today we don't have. Okay. Today we don't have. You don't need to join there. For that, all you have to check Google Calendar. And also, coming Monday will be fun day for us. Okay. Coming Monday will be fun day for us. And do you have any doubt? And this one is very important about the timing. There will be changes. All you have to check your Google Calendar before entering your class. Okay. That's very important thing. And also, please upload all your assignments by this evening. Okay. So these are the things I want to say. Hatim, please turn on your camera. Which is your first star? Hmm? Is it English or science?
Let me look.
It's activity R for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Jamshina ma'am will join soon. Hi
Ma'am,
Minha, good morning. You are late. What happened? Hmm? What happened, Minha? You have to join on time. So you are missing your mage coins. Okay, you will miss your mage coins when you. What is that? Crochet. You completed the hairband. That means crochet, right? Hairband of. I mean,
it's a flower to
it's a
put on
flower.
it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's nice. And both are doing Bayan and Varda. Yeah, that's good. Very nice. Okay, so yes, let me call Jamshina ma'am. Give me a minute. Yeah, Jamshina ma'am is here. Bayan, that's a baby. Cute, very cute.
I
Okay,
don't
so
have
bye
a baby too.
everybody.
I have a baby too.
Okay, bye.
Thank you
Your
so
mom is
much.
here.
But he is